Hey YouTube, before I release this video or give y'all a look at it, I just want to talk a little bit about what we did. Earlier this year we went down to South Alabama on a hog hunt. We booked it through Ironman Outdoors, which if y'all don't know what that is, it's a religious organization reaching men through the outdoors. And we went down there. I went down with a group of men from where I'm at, with Blind Faith Outdoors, which is also an outdoor ministry for hunters and fishermen and outdoorsmen. But we went down there. We had a really good time. Ironman Outdoors did an awesome job. We had great men devotionals, stewardship about being a father, being a husband, being a man in general. They partnered with Southern Harvest down there in South Alabama. If y'all ever think about going on a hog hunt, or I believe they do fishing trips and all kinds of stuff, get a hold of them guys down at Southern Harvest. They're getting her done down there in South Alabama. So a little bit about this clip. I've always prided myself on being a pretty good shot. Never really had to track any deer or lost any game. This clip shows me missing a hog, and it's my own fault. I put too much faith in my equipment. The gun I was carrying, I've carried for 10 years, never had to mess with it, but it rode for 10 hours in a hard case to South Alabama, and my fault being I did not check it before we went to the field. I'll never make that mistake again. So if you ever drive very far on a big hunt, always check the zero on your scope. I'll never make that mistake again. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. Kind of making fun of myself here because I missed, but there's a couple other guys. I'm not gonna name who they are. They know who they are. They missed right along with me. So anyway, enjoy the video.
Shoot me, film. Alright. I got no problem with the boy right now. Hey, that's a good bull hog at the top of the hill. Somebody get him. Man, at the hogs. How do we do, guys? Man, that was a big bull hog to the right. Monster. I mean, that's like a trophy class hog right there.
Alright, let's go see if we got any blood up there.
How you stop recording with this unit?